Hey YouTube family, welcome to our channel Mind Hunt. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And today in this video, I'm going to give some helpful tips on your project works. And during this pandemic situation, we can see that teachers are assigning us a lots of project works. For that, you need to make a cover page so that they will see the cover page and even they will understand which subject it belongs to and whatever topic may be. And then the corner designs will impress them while seeing, and the fonts you need to use are air balloon font and indulge script font, which give a nice appearance to your project. And then paste some pictures, those are colorful with related tags, and don't lag but highlight the important points, and you need to give a clear cut conclusion. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it.